Taco night is the best night, especially when you're serving up these ground beef and corn skillet taco meat. It's so yummy. I did make some homemade tortillas. You can get the recipe for my butter tortillas at sipbitego.com. I have a full video for you too. They're so yummy, but use whatever tortillas that you'd like. Let's get to chopping. You want to chop up half of an onion, a yellow, a white, whatever you like, and that's going to go in the skillet first. You also want to prep up 6 cloves of garlic, mince it all up. If you do not like that much garlic, I am not judging you, so do not judge me. You can use less, or you could use a little bit of garlic powder, but I love to load it up, and these have so much flavor. No one ever complains that there's too much garlic. Trust me. To get started, add 2 tablespoons of salted butter to a hot skillet on medium-high heat. Let the butter melt, then add in half of a diced onion. You're going to want to stir this around for a couple of minutes. I usually suggest dropping it down to medium so the onions just start to kind of become translucent and don't really fully caramelize or brown yet. Turn the skillet down to medium-low, add in 6 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon dark chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika. Lastly, add in 2 teaspoons olive oil and the juice of half a lime. And if you don't want to use all those spices, just throw in a tablespoon of taco seasoning and call it a day. Give this all a stir for 1 minute, and then comes a big flavor bomb with about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix that all in there. It's going to be thick and kind of this strange consistency, but it's going to add so much flavor. And then, lo and behold, it is time for a big pound of ground beef. I like to go in with a wooden spatula, chop it all up. You want that meat to brown, and you want to start integrating it with the onions, the tomato paste, and all of those yummy spices. When half of the beef is brown, add a 1/3 cup water and continue stirring it on medium or medium-high heat for a couple minutes until all the beef is browned. At this point, the water should mostly evaporate, but it leaves the beef really juicy. The skillet's almost done. You just add in half a cup of frozen corn. I used fire-roasted corn. It's really tasty in this. Stir that all together until the corn is completely thawed and the ground beef is cooked through. Sprinkle on a couple tablespoons of cilantro. And don't forget, you can print this recipe at sipbitego.com. When you're there, also sign up for my Foodie Fridays email so you can be the first to know when really easy recipes like this one come out. To serve up this ground beef and corn skillet, I heated up my fresh tortillas with a slice of cheddar, added the skillet mixture, avocado, sour cream, and cilantro. Oh, this is so good. I have another recipe coming for you this week. Delicious.